First and foremost, I gotta start this video by saying this is not financial advice. So, you want to start investing. This is my journey. This is my Roth IRA. You guys can check everything out. This is what I have been doing for the last, 2 years since 2023. And, yeah. But first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to open a brokerage account. This is very easy. I'll drop a link for you to open up a Robinhood account. I say use Robinhood if you're very, very new to this because it is very easy to understand. It's not very complex. A lot of people, millions and millions of people use it, so you can trust it, promise you. Plus, if you open with my link, you'll get a bonus versus if you just open it by yourself, you won't get a bonus. You'll get a $5 bonus, so, the minimum deposit is $1. And if you have friends or family that already have a Robinhood account, I prefer you use their link. But if you have nobody, then, go ahead and use mine. It supports me and the channel. But yeah, everything you see on here are companies that I personally invest in. As you saw, I had 1,800 to date. So, it's pretty good. It's been working out pretty good. I got a lot of banks. I got a lot of, S&P 500. I got some Robinhood in there. Everything that's in here, I would suggest, you put a little bit of money in. But, if you're starting off, this is the thing that I love. You don't need to put in a big deposit. It could literally be like $5, $20 here. And that's what I've been doing. $5, $10 here and there. And it's been working out. It's been working out pretty well, apparently. I'm up $300 in 1 year alone. This past since 2024, from 2024 to 2025. It's been up $300, which is pretty nice. But yeah, that way you can open up your account. You got some things you got in mind. 281. I recorded this video like a couple days ago, but it's probably up a little bit more. You guys have a good one. Take care. God bless.